Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Loungefly Tinker Bell Holiday Mystery Pins. These were released in November of 2025, and they are available at BoxLunch for $12.90 per box, and there is one pin in each box. This is a 6-pin collection, and the pin designs feature Tinker Bell with various holiday items. So the pin designs that we can get are Tinker Bell sitting on a present, Tinker Bell in a snowflake, Tinker Bell flying in front of an ornament, and this one it says is a glitter chase pin. Then we have Tinker Bell on a holly leaf, Tinker Bell sitting down with a Santa hat, and then Tinker Bell standing next to a present, a different colored present than the first one. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 8 boxes here to open up, which is 8 pins total. The one I want the most here is the snowflake one, because I'm very curious to see if the pin actually has the little cutouts in the snowflake, or if there's a part of the pin that fills that in the background. And it would also be cool to see that glitter chase pin. Most of the time when I do these Loungefly unboxings, I usually don't get the chase pin, but hey, maybe we will this time. So let's get this started. Let's see what we get. So these are in the black bags with the little cutout. Makes it easy to open. So I can see they are gold on the back. And this one is, it's the first one on the box there. It is Tinker Bell sitting on the present. So she is sitting on a green present with a red bow. She is just on top of it. Their wings sticking way up high. Very cool. So we got 1 down, 5 to go. Let's see. Got 8 tries here. I was hoping 8 boxes would be enough, but you never know. Let's see, we get in pin 2. Well, I see wings in a box, but looks like it might be a little different. Oh, and it's the other present. It's the one where she's standing up and she's leaning on the present. And this present is a red present with a green bow, so just the opposite of the last one. Very cool. So we got both present ones. All right, still looking for that snowflake. I want to see that one. All right, and pin 3. What do we have here? We have the chase pin. All right. Like I said, usually I don't see these, but this one is the glitter chase pin. So we have Tinker Bell kind of flying in front of an ornament, and she has glitter in her wings, and the ornament has glitter in it too. That is very cool. Nice. And the ornament has a snowflake on it, which is the same design as the snowflake pin. So there we go. We have 3 boxes open, and we have 3 of the 6 pins. I like that pattern. Let's just keep going with that pattern. Just finish this out. All right, pin 4, I can see from the bottom sticking up right here. I think it's a duplicate of the first one, and it is. So we have another Tinker Bell sitting on top of the green present. So there's our first duplicate. All right, we can get 2 duplicates here. That's all we can get. And this one, I'm looking at the back, and it is definitely different. This one's all kind of crazy right there. And this one is, it's the Tinker Bell on the holly leaf. That's what I was looking at. I was looking at the bottom of the holly leaf with all the jagged edges. So we have a green holly leaf with the berries down there, and she is standing on top of the leaf. I like how her wings are all sticking up in all of these. Those are pretty cool. Let's move these over here. All right, so we have 4 out of the 6 with 3 pins to go. Let's see what we get in box 6. All right, well, I see wings. Oh, it's not wings. It is the snowflake. Awesome. So we have the snowflake. It's a white snowflake, and then it looks like she is flying kind of away from the snowflake towards you. And so that's what I wanted to see, if those were actually cutouts, and they're not. They're somewhat cut out, but they're the background of those little cutouts in the snowflake are filled with gold. So that's what I was wondering. It would be really cool if they were actually cut out, but a lot of times that gets hard to do in pins. If you look at the back, you can kind of see that there's little bits of cutouts, but not as much as I was hoping for, but that is still a really cool pin design. And that is the 5th one out of the 6. So I'm only missing one, which is the one where she's sitting down and has the Santa hat on. That is the only one I'm looking for here. Let's see if we get it here. Ooh, this looks like this might be different. And it is this the one. It's the one where she's sitting down with the Santa hat. So we have completed the collection. All right. So we have Tinkerbell, and she is sitting down on her heels there, and she has a Santa hat on. Very cool. So that is all 6 right there. We do have an extra box, which I'll just open it up, see what we get. Maybe we'll get another chase pen. See what this one is. And our last pin, it is another one where she's sitting down in the Santa hat. So we have 2 of those and 2 of the ones with the present. But that is awesome because a lot of times these holiday pins aren't around too long, and it's good to just get them completed so you don't have to look for any of them. So we do have all 6 of the pins. So that was the Disney Loungefly Tinker Bell Holiday Mystery Pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. I know going into this, the one I wanted the most was the Snowflake pin, but after getting a close-up look, my favorite pin is the one with the ornament, the chase pin. I just like the colors, the green and red on the ornament, and then Tinkerbell is in front of it. And of course, I love all the glitter elements in her wings and in the ornament itself. It was really close with the one where she's sitting on her heels with the Santa hat. And I do want to show you that that one is a lot bigger. So when you compare them side by side, in the other 5, Tinkerbell is the same size, like her face is the same size. But in that other pin, since she has no item with her, they made her bigger. So like her facial features, you can see them a lot better because it's just a much bigger pin. So that's pretty cool too. That one almost looks like that one should have been the chase pin. So this was an excellent unboxing for me, getting all 6 pin designs. So it is a completed collection, so I don't have to go out and find 1 or 2 pins to complete the collection. It is already done. So good job, Mickey or Little Stitch here, or maybe Jack Skellington. One of them brought the luck today, so that is awesome. Let's hope they keep that up through the rest of my Christmas pin unboxings here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.